Hello, my name is Trina Lindeman or Mrs. Lindeman, and today I'm going to be teaching a kindergarten standard. The standard that I chose was K.OA.A.4, and it reads that for any number from 1 to 9, find the number that makes 10 when added to the given number. And I'm going to be using representation model, and it's going to be done digitally. So what you see here on the screen, this is a 10 frame. And I'm going to give a number. So we're going to start with 3. I'm going to do 3 red circles. And then, so red will represent the given number and yellow will represent the number we get to get to 10. So this being a 10 frame, we know that all the circles filled up in this frame will equal 10. So right now we have 3. How many more do we need to get to 10? Well, let's take our circles, our yellow circles, and add it to the frame. And now let's count the yellow circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 yellow circles. So that should mean 3 plus 7 equals 10. Let's try another one. So for the given number, the red circles, I am going to put in 6. So how many more do we need to get to 10? We already have 6. So let's fill in with our yellow circles. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Great. Let's try one last one. Let's do 8. So we have 8 red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many yellow circles do we need to get to the number 10? Let's fill in our 10 frame. 1, 2. We needed 2 more to get to 10. So that must mean 8 plus 2 equals 10. Great job. We are all done. Thank you.